Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash, back with another video. Today I'll be fixing this downstream injector. I had it for about 5 months, worked pretty good. These never last, forever. So if you rinse them out, they last you a pretty good long time, but I didn't rinse it out the last couple times I used it, so it stopped working. So I had to order the kit, which is just a O-ring, the ceramic ball, and the spring. This is the Envirospec. This is the big injector, supposed to pull 3%, which is good for stuck holes, good for pre-treating, post-treating. I like it, you know what I'm saying? It works pretty good. I probably won't buy another one, but I do have a couple of spare ones of the regular size ones. I got 2 of those, but this one's my main one that I use, as you can tell how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and get this thing back working. Alright, so we gotta be careful with this. There's a spring and the ball in there, of course that's what we're changing. That's the ball. And right here, I got the spring. Right there was sitting there, you can see it. So the O-ring must be inside of here. Yep. There it is. There's the O-ring. See what it looks like. It looks a little beat up right here. Just for that little beat up right there, the ball will stick onto the O-ring and won't allow it to to move properly. So just that little bit right there will stop you from working. So I'm gonna come back and put the O-ring inside of here. I have no light. There's no light in here. I can barely see. I can barely see the light. So you put your spring down in the middle of the injector. I think it's pretty small. Boom. Got your spring in there. Put your ball in on the top of the spring and get your little port. Put your port on, screw it in. You don't need to go crazy on this like I did. Alright, that's in there. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, see how it works. Alright guys, see you outside. Alright guys, we got the injector in right here. Got the 3-way ball valve that I rinsed it out with, so it makes it easier, so I don't have to have a bucket of water or anything like that to clean my injector. I use this little ball valve when it's pointing this way. It's going to the buffer tank to rinse, and then when I have it this way, it's drawing SH. So right now it's on SH. Yep. And then we're gonna go ahead and test it out. tried the injector out with the kit. As you've seen, it was not pulling no soap, so I took the orifice out. This is the orifice that goes inside the injector, goes inside of here. It's pretty much ate up all around this side right here of the orifice. This thing is no good, so I'm gonna change it out, put a different one in it, and see if we start pulling soap. Alright guys, so we have I found the rest of the orifices that they came with. So originally this one right here is like a 2 to a 5. This is a 5 to a 6, 6.5, 6.5 to 8, and then this one is 8 and above. So originally I had this one in there, the small one, because I had a 4 GPM machine, so I had the the smallest one. But since I had upgraded my machine to the 5.5 gallon per minute, I should be using this one right here. So I'm gonna swap it out, put that one in the injector instead, because this one is donezo. Alright, I got the orifice in there right now. Major difference compared to this one here. This thing was done, and you can see the whole difference too. Look at this hole right here. Look at that. These are my old injectors from the 4 GPM. You see how small that is? Then I moved up to this one. That's a 2.1. And then look at this one. This is the one that pulls 3%. Look how much bigger it is. Alright, I'm gonna finish wrapping it up. Also guys, if you're gonna be putting your stuff together, I would highly advise you guys to use this True Blue. It works really good. I found out it's better than using the tape. Alright guys, so I changed out the orifice, got the injector back in line, ready to go right here. So we're gonna start it up and see if the trick worked. Alright, let's start this thing up. We got soap, guys. So if you got a Suds sucker and it's not pulling, and you change your spring, you change your ball, and you're still not getting chems, make sure to clean out your orifice. If your orifice might be chewed up, might have some trash in it, so yeah, man, I'm surprised that it worked. I'm happy that it worked because I was almost about to order another one. So I'm gonna hook up my three-way ball valve right now just to rinse out the injector. All right. So I appreciate y'all checking out my videos. Thank you for all my subscribers. See y'all next time.